Panquecas. Dinner crepes. A main dish from Brazil. Serves 2. You will need 13 ingredients. Step 1. Put all ingredients for panquecas in blender and beat until smooth. Cook as you would for crepes. Step 2. To make the filling, sauté onions and garlic in olive oil. Add ground beef, cilantro and oregano and cook until brown. It should be rather dry, not very much liquid at all. Remove from heat. Fill each panqueca with this mixture and roll it up. Put panquecas together in a large Pyrex. Cover with tomato sauce, sprinkle with grated Parmesan cheese and warm in an oven or microwave. CountryReports. Serve piping hot with white rice and green salad.